Hi guys! So today is just one of those days where I really don't have a ton of time to be cooking for myself. I did not meal prep, so I do not have anything in my refrigerator ready for me to eat. And that just happens sometimes. We don't have time to meal prep or we just don't do it. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I do when I have not meal prepped and when I still wanna eat delicious, healthy food that only takes 5 to 10 minutes to prepare because I'm in a hurry. So one thing that I think is perfect for a breakfast when you know you are gonna be in a hurry in the morning is overnight oats. The day before, make your oats. Just mix the oats with some soy milk and other toppings. Let that sit overnight, put it in a jar, and in the morning you have an easy, delicious, and nourishing breakfast. So I did this yesterday with chia seeds and blueberries and maple syrup, and then I just like to add my toppings in the morning so it looks a little prettier and you have even more texture. I added walnuts, coconut, dates, frozen blueberries, and a little bit more coconut. But it's super easy and I can take this in the car with me. I can eat it while I'm on the go. It's just so much easier. So for a quick snack, I have been eating some chips and salsa, which I really like, but if I'm not having this, I might have some hummus with chips or crudité or some fresh fruit. But now actually it's a good time for me to get up and make a very fast and healthy lunch. First, I get some pasta cooking, and while it boils, I warm up some tomato sauce with frozen peas and frozen spinach. 3 minutes before the pasta is finished cooking, I added frozen asparagus to the same pot. All that's left to do is drain the pasta and the asparagus, and then add it to the pasta sauce. Stir well to make sure it's all coated, and now I can eat it. And 10 minutes later, I have my lunch. I like to use these different types of gluten-free pastas because they're a little bit more nutritious than regular wheat pasta. So this is black bean pasta. And like you saw, I just used frozen vegetables that I had in my freezer. I like to keep frozen vegetables in the freezer just in case a moment like today happens where I don't have a ton of time to cook and wash veggies and prep them and everything. And it's super tasty and healthy, so I'm actually gonna close my computer for this meal. Mmm. So one of my favorite things to have for a snack throughout the day is fresh fruit. So right now I'm gonna cut myself some watermelon, but depending on what's in season, I will eat that. So watermelon is my favorite, along with peaches, which I'm out of right now. But just in general, fresh fruit is the perfect go-to snack. I'm working from home, so I can cut myself some watermelon, but if I weren't, I would probably cut this up and take it with me, or take a banana, or a peach, whatever's in season. It's super healthy. You shouldn't feel scared about eating fresh fruit. I know a lot of people are, but you should eat as much of it as you can. Other snacks that I love to eat throughout the day are nuts and dried fruit, almonds, Brazil nuts, whatever dried fruit also, as long as it doesn't have sugar added, that's a good bet. Dark chocolate, vegan of course, not too much because I'm trying to be healthy. I also love to make toast. Almond butter toast with jam or bananas, or even avocado toast is like one of my favorite things to have as a snack, or of course you could even have it safe for breakfast or a late night snack too. After I eat this watermelon and work for just a little bit longer, I'm going to make myself a salad for dinner. Okay, so for dinner, I'm going to be making a big green salad. I got some greens at the farmer's market. They're super fresh. And I'm just going to top it with some tomatoes, cucumber, and veggie burgers. Now, I actually didn't have time to make veggie burgers today. They're kind of easy, but they do take a little time. So I'm going to be using some frozen ones that I got at the store, the Dr. Prager's brand. And it's super easy, of course, because it's a big green salad. It's also full of nutrition. First up, I cook the burgers in a skillet for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. While it does its thing, I massage my salad greens with tahini dressing. I actually made my own tahini dressing. I didn't make it today, I made it yesterday. I've actually made it in a lot of different videos, so make sure you check one of those out. Super fast, and it's absolutely delicious, and it adds some nice healthy fats to whatever you put it on. Chop up some cucumber and tomato for a topping to be tossed in with the salad. And don't forget to flip your burgers. Once they're cooked through, chop them up and serve them over your salad. So this is my salad. It's super simple, I know, but also very delicious. So I'm gonna have this for dinner, and because this doesn't have any grains in it, and I know myself, I'm sure I'm gonna get hungry later. So I plan on having some almond butter. I almost said avocado toast. Maybe I'll have, actually, you know what? Maybe I'll have avocado toast for my late night snack. But the burger on here does make it pretty filling. I actually did 2 burgers because I usually have a big appetite. Also though, if you want to bulk it up a little bit more, you could always add cooked quinoa or farro or freekeh or any other delicious grain. So I hope you guys enjoyed my recipes for when I have no time to cook. Well, 10 minutes to cook. I'm lucky I work from home so that I can take those 10 minutes. But I hope these things give you great ideas. You can always make these recipes in bulk also, so it only takes you still 10 minutes to cook multiple servings that you can eat throughout the week. So you're just making your life so much easier. Also, let me know what your favorite super fast go-to recipes are, things that you make or eat when you don't have a lot of time in the day to be in the kitchen. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!